In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a lead to a deal in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you've been capturing interest in your leads inbox and you're ready to track real progress in your sales pipeline, converting a lead to a deal is the moment that moves a conversation into a formal opportunity. It's quick, it's clean, and it keeps all your context intact so you don't lose momentum. Start by opening your Pipedrive account and looking to the left-hand panel. Find and click Leads. This takes you to your leads inbox where you can see every prospect that hasn't yet entered your pipeline. If you have a lot of leads, use the search bar or filters to locate the right one. You can sort by newest first, scan by company name, or filter by labels so you can zero in fast. Taking a few seconds here to find the exact lead you want will save you time later. Next, select the lead you want to convert into a deal. Click it to open the lead details. This is your chance to verify that everything is ready for the move. Check that the contact person and organization are correct, skim your notes, and confirm the potential value if you've added one. Make sure any important activities or reminders are attached because they'll come with you when you convert. If the lead has gone cold or isn't a real opportunity, you can leave it as a lead for now. Converting is best when you have a qualified path forward. Now, look for the Convert to Deal button. You'll see it below in the lead view. Click it. Pipedrive will guide you through a quick confirmation. Typically, you can choose which pipeline to place the deal in and select the starting stage, like qualification or contact made, depending on how your pipeline is set up. You may also be able to review the deal title, owner, value, and expected close date. Take a moment to confirm these details. When you hit Convert, Pipedrive creates the new deal and links it to the same contact and organization, along with your notes and activities, so nothing gets lost. That's it. Your conversation is now a trackable opportunity with clear stages, forecasts, and next steps. If you don't see the Convert to Deal button, it may be because of permissions or because the lead has already been converted. Interface labels can vary slightly, but the option is clearly marked. To recap, open Leads on the left panel, select the lead you want, and click Convert to Deal below. With these clicks, you'll move from interest to execution and keep your pipeline accurate and actionable.